My name is Barry Bloch, and I work with Land Lincoln Legal Assistance Foundation in East St. Louis. But before that, I ran a business, and before that, I was an attorney with a Fortune 100 corporation and also with the Internal Revenue Service. I'm doing family law cases. I never took a course in family law in law school and never, ever did anything with family law before I came here.
Barry does pro bono divorces for us. He contacted me about a year and a half ago because he had retired from private business, and he told me that he'd gotten bored playing golf.
Actually, I had started trying to volunteer when I was actually still working. I think it was the Hurricane Katrina, and I couldn't go down there and build homes for people, and then the earthquake in Haiti, and the last thing they needed was me down there trying to help people, and I felt a need to do something more with my life than just make money.
He was an interesting volunteer because even though he's a law graduate and is licensed, he hadn't actually practiced law in about 25 years.
I volunteered to work in the area they had a need for. Was family law, and initially it was the last thing in the world I wanted to do. But when you start working with these people, particularly when you work with the younger people, you realize that you're affecting their future, because until these people can get a divorce, they can never remarry and never move on with their lives.
I've learned things from working with him because he definitely, he pushes the envelope in his cases, and he's aggressive trying to get good results for his clients. So he doesn't just take things at face value. He wants to go beyond the surface to find out the best way to do things for his clients.
Well, I mean, you just, you feel good because it's like you've given the people the world. I mean, these people, are, some of them are almost speechless afterwards because some people have been waiting forever to move on, and they can't move on. And the sad thing is that what we touch is an insignificant part of what is out there. There's so many more people who need help than this organization can help.
Well, I think that the volume of work that he's done has been so much greater than any other pro bono attorney that we've had in this office. But I'd say the quantity and the quality of his work far exceeds any of the attorneys on our pro bono panel in this office. I have no doubt that Barry would be a great lawyer if he had practiced extensively.
And there's a tremendous need for more people to do this, and not only retired people like me, where there are special provisions actually, where you can be inactive or retired status and still continue to practice. But even for the young kids who can't get jobs out of law school, I mean, at least they can get some on-the-job training by picking up and doing some pro bono work.